less C-3PO, and thank God there's less C-3PO in it. That robot is so annoying. And BB is so darn cute. Sure, the villains were basically crap. I mean, you got a hologram that does nothing and an emo kid. Kylo Ren just reminds me of those emo kids in South Park, mixed in with a bit of Cartman, when he goes all angry and, I'm a master of darkness, /discourse, stuff like that. Wow, was he a crappy villain. He doesn't really redeem himself in the end because he gets his ass handed to him by someone who uses a lightsaber and the Force for the first time in her life. Remember that. Remember how Luke got his ass handed to him by Darth Vader in the first fight? You'd think Kylo Ren would be better trained than Luke after spending some time, well, no time, actually, virtually no time training. But back to the matter at hand. Finn will kill Luke Skywalker. Why? Very simple. Because that's what he's programmed to do. They say it quite clearly at the beginning of the film. Our mental conditioning doesn't fail. And it probably hasn't. Maybe it skipped a beat when Finn refused to murder all those people, but you know he was supposed to visit Captain Phasma and get reassigned? Well, he does visit her, only that scene isn't in the movie. The very next scene with Finn that we see is him breaking Poe out of jail. And you're probably wondering, why on earth would the Empire, the First Order, give the Rebellion, Resistance, Republic, whatever the name is in this movie, an asset like Finn? Because, as you can see in the movie, he knows quite a lot about the new Death Star, the Death Planet, whatchamacallit. Without him, it wouldn't have been destroyed. Why would they give up such a massive advantage over the Rebellion, Republic / whatever the name is, just so they can infiltrate a mole in the Republic Rebellion thing, the Resistance? And that leads me to one of the most famous lines Vader ever said. The ability to destroy a planet is insignificant next to the power of the Force. And Master Snooky, or whatever his name is, the hologram guy, knows that. He said their greatest threat is Luke Skywalker. Luke Skywalker rebuilding the Jedi. If he goes down, there will be no hope for the Republic. Okay, sure, they also blew up Coruscant, I think, but that's another matter. So having Finn infiltrate the Republic, the Rebellion, the Resistance, gaining their trust, being the reason they achieved a major victory over the Empire, means that he will have a really good chance to get right up next to Luke